In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to SSH into your Siteground shared hosting account. SSH or Secure Shell is a protocol that allows you to access your web hosting account remotely, providing a secure way to manage your website's files. Whether you're troubleshooting, deploying updates, or just curious, understanding how to use SSH can significantly boost your efficiency. To get started, first head over to the Siteground website. Once you're there, locate the login button, typically at the top right of the page. Give it a click and sign into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. From here, navigate to My Siteground account to access a more focused set of tools relevant to your hosting services. Now that you're within your account management area, spot the Site Tools button and click on it. This will lead you to a suite of management tools essential for customizing and optimizing your site. Next, look for the section labeled Devs. This section is rich with development resources, but our focus today will be on utilizing the SSH feature. Within the Devs section, locate the SSH Keys Manager option. Once you click this, you're stepping into the realm of setting up your SSH credentials. SSH keys are a pair of cryptographic keys that aim to authenticate secure connections between your device and the server. Here, you'll manage the keys that allow you to seamlessly connect to your shared hosting account. In the SSH Keys Manager, you'll likely see an option to create new SSH key. Click this button and you'll be prompted to fill in some details. Siteground will typically ask for a brief description to help you identify the key later. You might also have the chance to customize the key's name. Once you've entered all the necessary information, simply hit the Create button. If you followed along, congrats, you've just successfully set up SSH access for your Siteground account. This new connection allows you to manage your website files directly from a command line interface, significantly enhancing your control over the hosting environment. A crucial reminder, always keep your private keys secure. Sharing them or exposing them could lead to unauthorized access to your hosting account. Consider securing them with a password for added security. That wraps up our tutorial on SSH into a Siteground shared hosting account. With these steps, you now have the ability to manage your web files more effectively and securely. Keep practicing and explore ways to incorporate SSH into your regular web development workflow. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.